Hi friends, welcome. Today we see the solar system of the planets. What's the solar system? Solar system is the sun and everything that orbits around it. It includes the planets and their moons as well as numerous hot stars and comets. These objects are all held in orbit around the sun by the sun's strong gravity. This is called solar system of functions. Planets in our solar system. Planet number 1, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system and closest to the Sun, is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Mercury is the fastest planet, jumping around the Sun every 88 Earth days. Mercury is a small rocky planet whose surface has been heavily created by meteoroids. The surface also has many ridges called roots that are believed to have formed as the core of young planet cooled and shrank. Mercury moves faster than any other planet, completing its orbit of the Sun in 88 Earth days. But its axial rotation is very slow, taking nearly 59 days. As a result, a solar day from sunrise to sunrise, and Mercury lasts twice as long as the Mercurian year. Surface temperature on the planet varies from 430 degrees Celsius 806 Fahrenheit on the sunlight side, minus 170 degrees Celsius and minus 338 degree Fahrenheit on the dark side. The planet number 2, Venus. Venus spins slowly in the opposite direction from the most planets. A thick atmosphere traps it in a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. Venus. Venus is a rocky planet slightly smaller than Earth and probably with a similar internal structure of partly molten metal core surrounded by a rocky mantle and crust. The planet's cloudy atmosphere reflects sunlight strongly, making Venus the brightest object in the sky after the Sun and Moon. The atmosphere is composed mainly of carbon dioxide, which traps heat, creates a maximum surface temperature of 480 degrees Celsius and 896 degrees Fahrenheit, making Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. Planet number 3, Earth. Earth, our home planet, is the only place we know of so far this is habited by living things. It is also the only planet in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. The fifth largest planet in the solar system, the Earth is the only planet known to support life. The Earth has four main layers: a solid metal inner core with a temperature of about 4000 degrees Celsius and 7200 degrees Fahrenheit, a molten metal outer core, a metal composed largely of a rock called periodicity, and the crust, of which there are two different types of continental and oceanic. Planet number 4, Mars. Mars is a dusty, cold desert world with a very thin atmosphere. There is a strong evidence Mars was billions of years ago water and warmer with a thicker atmosphere. Mars. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun and the outermost rocky planet. Mars is known as the red planet because of the red iron dioxide dust that covers its surface. On its northern hemisphere are many vast plains formed of solidified lava. The southern hemisphere is fitted with craters and large impact basins. Mars' several huge extinct volcanoes include Olympus Mons, the biggest known volcano in the solar system. The Martian atmosphere is much thinner than that of Earth, with only a few clouds and morning mists. Mars is orbited by two tiny moons, Phobos and Deimos. Number 5, Jupiter. Jupiter is more than twice as massive than other planets of our solar system combined. The giant planet's great red spot in a centuries-old star bigger than Earth. Jupiter is the largest, most massive planet in the solar system. Its rapid rate of rotation in 9 hours 55 minutes causes the clouds in its atmosphere to form dark, low-altitude belts and bright, high-altitude zones, both with huge storm systems, which encircle the planet parallel with the equator. Jupiter has two faint rings and it is orbited by 16 crown moons, of which Ganymede, Callisto, Io, and Europa, the Callidians, are the largest. The planet number 6, Saturn, ordered with a dazzling, complex system of icy rings. Saturn is unique in our solar system. The other giant planets have rings, but none are as spectacular as Saturn's. Saturn, the main part of Saturn's ring system, show here less than 1 kilometer thick, but 281,000 kilometers, 175,000 miles in diameter. The rings are composed of chunks of ice. The planet number 7, Uranus. Uranus, seventh planet from the Sun, rotates at a nearly 90 degrees angle from the planets of its orbit. This unique tilt makes Uranus appear to spin on its side. Uranus, with a diameter about 51,000 km, Uranus is the third largest planet in the solar system. It is a cold gas giant believed to consist of a mixture of gas and ice around a solid core. Uranus is tilted at 97.9 degrees and so rolls on its side along its orbital path. It has 15 moons, 10 rings made of boulders and a broad ring of dust. The planet number 8, Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and most distant major planet orbiting our Sun. Is dark, cold and wiped by supersonic winds. It was the first planet located through mathematical calculations. Neptune. The planet Neptune is believed to consist of a small solid core surrounded by a mixture of liquids and gases. It has 4 unstable rings and 8 crown moons.